Namaskar, friends. Friends, this is the second part of our introduction to the practices of Sanatan Hindu. Friends, at present, the entire, not just the world, but even the entire Hindu society is groping in the dark about even the basic concepts of Sanatan Dharm and its applications in real life. It will be our endeavor to provide to you the entire gamut of Sanatan Dharma practices in one place. In fact, the entire focus is upon the applications of the entire knowledge in real, practical, day-to-day life. I can say with certainty that there is no organization, school, institution, or individual in the world which is providing this kind of comprehensive knowledge about the practices of Sanatan Hindu Dharma. Not just this, but this is the only course which is designed to give not just knowledge about practices, but complete knowledge about the system of existence and the principles behind the practices. Complete scientific evidences and backup theories from the latest worldwide modern scientific research have also been provided in this course. Friends, as I myself have been a student of science and hold a honors degree in electrical and electronics engineering, I myself have been very inquisitive science student in my life. I have never accepted any practice in blind faith and have studied all practices with a critical mindset and only after establishing the scientific basis. The theory of four intelligences has been proposed by me based upon my experiences and knowledge from ancient Indian texts. In this course, I am extending this theory to the caste system, which again is based upon plain simple logic and support from ancient scriptures. Friends, today modern science is making big leaps. One of the biggest leaps is in the AI or artificial intelligence. There are talks about chips that are being developed which would replace the parts of human brain or support some of the functions of human brain. But before we discuss that, we have to ask, do we understand intelligence? Do we understand human intelligence? The answer to this is that at present the knowledge about intelligence and especially human intelligence is highly primitive today. You will be amazed that today in the scientific circles of the world, there is not even one unified theory of intelligence, leave alone the understanding of intelligence. Secondly, friends, human life or animal life is closely knitted with consciousness. But does the modern science understand consciousness? Unfortunately, our scientific knowledge of consciousness is close to zero. Modern science still has no clue about human consciousness, and we are talking about artificial intelligence. It's very nice to develop fancy robots and robotic machines, and that is also very essential from the point of view of development of technology, yes. Many robots are already replacing many physical functions, human physical functions. But does it mean that we have understood consciousness and intelligence? What we are going to understand in these videos is something even beyond the knowledge of intelligence and consciousness that modern sciences have and which have not been considered at all in the development of artificial intelligence. The entire study and usage of Hindu practices, as stated in ancient Indian texts, revolves around correcting and enhancing human intelligence. So friends, when the basics of Hindu practices are to be understood, it is very important to understand the basic intelligence, the basic theory of intelligence. Friends, if we are working in a space, it is important that the space is clean first. It needs to be clean of all the cobwebs of notions, beliefs, imaginations, theories, etc. Then and only then a working idea can be established. The foundation pillars which have been defined in Sanatan Dharm are to clean those webs in our minds and begin with a clean slate. Without this space of mind being clean, one should not hope to bring in results. Therefore, I would again exhort that if you want to create miracles, you have to start by adopting the foundation pillars in real life. And this is entirely dependent upon your own self. No amount of sermons and practices from me or anybody are going to help you. And very important, do not compare this process of cleaning your mind with money. Money does not come to a person on the basis of cleanliness of mind. Even a thief has lots of money. But that money does not assure happiness and fulfillment. Friend, the next is study and understanding of existential system that we are living in. Tell me friends, can you repair a computer till you have understood how it works? Can you repair your mobile phone without understanding its technology and system? You cannot. So can you solve the problems of your life without understanding how the system of life works? You cannot. Friends, those of you who have not gone through our existing video series on YouTube, I will definitely request you to go through the same earnestly. This video series defines the system of existence on Earth. Unfortunately, although modern sciences have done great advances in medical research, physical sciences, communications, and many other fields, certain basic understanding of the non-physical world are completely off the radar of modern sciences. But friends, fortunately, ancient Indian texts completely describe these physical and non-physical systems. We have researched into more than 450 ancient Indian texts and have arrived upon the comprehensive view. It is essential that you understand the system of existence before proceeding on this course. The first 24 videos are giving the YouTube links of these lectures. It is important that you go through all of these videos in full. To give you an overview of this course, we are starting with the root causes of problems faced by mankind all over the world. These root causes are the most fundamental and they are for the entire mankind. When we go deep into analyzing these causes, it would be understood that definitely these are the most fundamental and logical reasons, irrespective of religious beliefs of people. Following this, we go to understanding human intelligence in detail. Friends, whatever life we live by our actions. And whatever actions we take are based upon our decisions. Whatever decisions we take are completely dependent upon our thinking and intellect. Therefore, it is very important to understand our own intelligence and how this intelligence works. An in-depth analysis is done here. You will be amazed to note that the concepts of ancient Indian texts are far more advanced and logical than the modern science. We shall discuss subjects such as quantum entanglement, double-slit experiment, and that human brain works like an antenna. Modern science is very much lagging in these concepts although advanced research has been done in neurological sciences. The basic concepts of intelligence itself have been missing from the modern scientific studies. Friends, this is followed by further advanced study of the system of gods. We have already explained in our YouTube videos as to the primary system of gods and why there are so many gods in Sanatan Hindu Dharm. Here we shall go into further detail. Although we shall describe the exact hierarchy, we shall exhort you to understand that all gods are equally powerful. It is important to understand this simply to dispel the misconceptions and gain knowledge according to the scriptures. Friends, if you really want to solve problems in your life, if you really want to boost your thinking, if you really want to succeed professionally, whichever profession you might be in, if you really want to understand spirituality and its application and use in real life today, if you really want to perform miracles in your own life very much by yourself, if you want fulfillment in life, then continue to watch our videos and do like, subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you.